The Chef Robot Coffee Maker CR-12 offers a fully automatic brewing experience that caters to a wide range of coffee enthusiasts, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages with just one touch. With a built-in grinder that provides 3 grind levels, you can easily customize your coffee for a fresh and aromatic brew, enhancing your morning ritual. This versatile machine is capable of making espresso, cappuccino, latte, and Americano, complete with milk foam, perfect for both personal enjoyment and sharing with friends. Featuring a 1.5-liter water tank and a 300 milliliter milk tank, this coffee maker minimizes the need for frequent refills during your coffee making sessions. The Chef Robot Coffee Maker CR-12 includes 5 reminder functions to help you maintain the machine effortlessly, ensuring it is always ready to deliver a perfect cup. Its user-friendly control panel, with intuitive buttons and a clear display, makes it accessible to both seasoned coffee lovers and first-time users, providing a hassle-free coffee-making experience.